Hello everyone. I am Dr. Neha Jain, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology, Guru Ghasidas Vishwavidyalaya, Bilaspur. Today we are discussing on the topic general characteristic and classification of chondrichthyes, which is the syllabus of BSc third semester students. In this presentation, we are discussing on introduction, general characters of chondrichthyes, classification of chondrichthyes, subclass Salaceae, order Squaleriformes are Pleurotremata, and next order is Resiformes are Hypotremata. Next is introduction. This class chondrichthyes are Greek word. Chondros means cartilage, ichthyes means fish, means cartilaginous fish. Elasmobranchi is a Greek word. Elasmo means plate and bronchi means gills, यानी कि plate like gills, including shark, rays, skates and chimeras. According to Slutz, there are about 600 living species of cartilaginous fishes. The classification followed here is based after that of Romer 1959. General characters: mostly marine or predaceous animal, body fusiform and spindle shaped, fins both median and paired, all supported by fin rays, pelvic fin bare, claspers in male, tail heterocircle, skin covered with placoid scale, are naked and bears mucous gland. Next is endoskeleton entirely cartilaginous, often calcified, without true bones. Notochord persistent, vertebrae complete and separate. Pectoral and pelvic girdle are present. Mouth ventral, jaw present. Teeth are modified placoid scales and stomach is J-shaped. Intestine with spiral valve. Respiration by gills. Gill cells 5 to 7 pair on each side and operculum are or gill cover absent. No air bladders and lungs. Heart 2 chambers, one is auricle and one is ventricle. Sinus venosus and cons arteriosus are present. Both renal and hepatic portal system are present. Kidneys opisthonephros, excretion urotelic. Cloaca present. It aperture serve as a common outlet of rectum. Renal and reproductive duct present. Brain with large olfactory lobes and cerebellum. Cranial nerves are 10. It is a most important point. Cranial nerves are 10 pairs. Olfactory sac do not open into pharynx. Membranal labyrinth present with 3 semicircular canals, and most important character is lateral line system is present. Sex separate. Male usually possesses claspers, gonad paired and gonoduct open into cloaca. Fertilization internal. Oviparous are ovoviviparous animals. Egg large, yolky, cleavage meroblastic and development direct, means no larval stages present without metamorphosis. Classification of chondrichthyes. The class chondrichthyes are elasmobranchi is divided into two subclasses. First one is Salaceae and second is Bradiodonti are Holocephali. First class is subclass Salaceae, is a Greek word. Salachos means a shark, means shark like fishes. Paired fin without a median axis. Base of pectoral fin constricted and pectoral radial jointed. Gill cells numerous on either side and each is protected by independent skin flap. Presence of a spiracle behind each eyes. Vertebral centra usually differentiated. Cloaca present. Males with claspers. Tail is heterocircle, and this subclass is divided into two orders. First one is Squaleriformes are Pleurotremata and second is Resiformes. First order is Squaleriformes are Pleurotremata, is a Greek word. Pleuri means side and trema means opening, side opening. Body bilateral, typically spindle shaped. gill cells lateral 5 to 7 pairs, spiracles small, pectoral fin moderate, constructed at base, anterior margin of pectoral fin free. Hyomandibular bearing branchial rays, right and left havels of pectoral girder dorsally separated, and heterosulcar is heterosulcar tail. So, examples is true sharks. All is true sharks present, about 250 living species. First one is dogfish Scoliodon. This one is dogfish fish or Scoliodon. Pectoral fin is independent or free, gill cells present and dorsal fin present and caudal fin present, tail are heterosulcar tail. And second is a spiny dogfish Squalus, and third is 7-gilled shark, tiger shark or zebra shark Stagostoma. This one is tiger shark, and next is hammer-headed shark. This head is hammer-headed form. So, and other name is Zyaenia or Spirna. Okay, whale shark. Next is whale shark. Second order is resiforms or hypotremata. This is a Greek word, hypo below and trema opening, below opening, body depressed, flattened and dorsoventrally, gill cells ventral 5 pairs, pectoral fin enlarged, fused with sides of the head and body, spiracles large and functional, 2 havels of pectoral girder united either to each other or the vertebral column. No branchial rays are hyomandibular. Example is skates and rays, about 300 species. Skate means other name is raza, stingray means trigon, electric ray means torpedo, eagle ray Mylobatus. This is a electric ray, this is a electric ray, and this is a trigon. And next is a Pristis. Pristis means other name is sawfish. That is the reference, and thank you all of you.